Hello everybody, Tim Carrico here. Today is May the 10th. We're in monkey suit today, dressed in a suit and tie, attending the funeral of my mentor, Dennis Culberson. Great loss to me. He was a real good friend. I just wanted to show you what we got done today in the greenhouse. The solar panel installed inside. It's a little 100 watt unit, not very big. Got the battery box painted white today because it can't get too hot. We got the solar charge controller all wired in. She's charging. We got 13 volts on the battery right now, and it's still charging. And you can see it's almost full. Working good. Got it all hooked up to a disconnect here. 12 volts. It's for the 12 volt pump for the irrigation system. It's all missed. Installed some new additional misters today, about 5 of them down the line, and working out well. Look at what the tomatoes is doing. They in just a week they've grown like weeds. Don't see our snake in here today. Little baby juvenile black snake, but the broccoli's doing good. Don't have any heads started yet, I don't see. Carrie's just set these wave petunias in until she figures out where she's going to put those. But got some garlic going there and some cucumbers. There's a bush bean. There's some half runners growing up there. Got some sweet peas growing up there. We got their flower, and there's actually some on there. How about that? This one right here was the same size as this one yesterday in one day. Amazing. I love this greenhouse. This side we got onions and carrots growing in there. And we got half runners that are going to be climbing up this trellis here. And Carrie's Mother's Day present is a white fuchsia and a pink fuchsia. And I'm working on trying to get some propagated. We'll see how that goes. We got some hens and chicks in that one there. And over in that one there too. Down here we got tomato plants growing like weeds, which they are, but got some jalapenos growing right there. 3 of them. We got, this is a azalea, an orange one. I killed one of her last ones, so we got this one for her. About 2 months ago, I believe. Got an orange pepper here. We got a green pepper over there. And then the rest are tomatoes. This is all of our herbs. I had a problem in this raised bed here with a lot of bugs in it, a lot of little flies. So I planted 4 green onions in it, north, south, east, and west. And don't see any more bugs in it. That's good. But she's got basil up here. She's got cilantro over here. And she's got some parsley coming up right there. And she's got some spinach there. And some oregano there coming up. And that's the greenhouse today.